Lesson Tea from Assam. 1 question. Who always boil water before drinking it as mentioned in the post piece Tea from Assam? Option A. A Japanese emperor. B. A Korean emperor. C. A Chinese emperor. D. An Indian emperor. The answer is option C. A Chinese emperor. Question number 2. The sporting seasons last from option A. May to July. B. May to September. C. May to October. D. April to July. The answer is option A. May to July. Question number 3. There are dash legends associated with tea. Option A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. Too many. The answer is option D. Too many. Where is Dhekiabari Tea Garden? Option A. Upper Assam. Option B. Lower Assam. Option C. Central Assam. Option D. North Bank. The answer is option A. Upper Assam. Question number 5. What was Mr. Barua? Option A. Manager of Dibrugarh Tea Garden. Option B. Manager of Morioni Tea Garden. Option C. Manager of Dhekiabari Tea Garden. Option D. Manager of Jorhat Tea Garden. And the answer is option C. Manager of Dhekiabari Tea Garden. Question number 6. When was tea first drunk in China? Option A. 2700 AD. B. 2700 BC. C. 2900 AD. D. 2900 BC. The answer is option B. 2700 BC. Question number 7. Where is Pranjal's hometown? Option A. Morioni. B. Digboi. C. Delhi. D. Jorhat. And the answer is option A. Morioni. Question number 8. Where was tea first drunk? Option A. Europe. B. India. C. North America. D. China. And the answer is option D. China. Question number 9. How many cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Option A. Over 80 crore cup. Option B. Over 70 crore cup. Option C. Over 90 crore cups. Option D. Over 60 crore cup. And the answer is option A. Over 80 crore cup. Question number 10. Pranjal was reading inside the train. Option A. A novel. B. A drama. C. A detective book. D. A magazine. And the answer is option C. A detective book. Thank you.